Hi there, and welcome to the latest look at constellations. Today we're going to look at a very strange little constellation called Canis Minor. Now, Canis Minor really is just two stars. So it looks more like a hot dog than a little dog, a straight line. It was seen as Orion's smaller dog, or maybe its puppy. How the ancient people thought it looked like a dog, as you can see, is way beyond me. A lot of imagination involved. But it is home to Procyon, one of the brightest stars, in fact the seventh brightest star in the nighttime sky, and part of what some people think of as a winter triangle of Sirius, Procyon and Betelgeuse. Now, Procyon has a magnitude of 0.34, and at 11 light years away, it's the 13th closest star system to us. And like Sirius, it's a binary star. Procyon A has 1.4 solar masses and is 7.5 times more luminous than the Sun, while Procyon B has 0.6 solar masses and an apparent magnitude of 10.7. The other visible star is Beta Canis Minoris, Gomeisa, with an apparent magnitude of 2.89. There are no Messier objects in Canis Minor. And the constellation is quite easy to find because it's up to the left of Sirius, with the winter Milky Way flowing between Canis Major and Sirius and Canis Minor and Procyon. In fact, Procyon does stand quite easily in a dark patch of sky because there aren't bright constellations around it, so it is quite easy to spot. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little look at the little dog. Take care, stay safe, dark skies, and see you next time. Bye for now.